Did you know that this new airline has no economy class? Let's take a look at Beyond Airlines Airbus A319, which only has business class cabin. This aircraft features modern cabin interiors and stylish 44 seats fitted with luxurious materials designed to deliver the perfect travel experience and provide passengers with maximum comfort during their flight. Beyond Airlines just launched the flights from Munich to the Maldives with a stop in Dubai. In a few days, they will start service from Zurich to the Maldives as well with a stop in Dubai. And soon, they will offer a non-stop service from Riyadh to the Maldives. Would you like to fly them?